how to change wallpaper automatically on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want your wallpapers on Mac to shuffle automatically? Then you're in the right place. So if you want your wallpapers to change within like few seconds, like few minutes, without you changing it manually, then you can head over to your settings, and then you need to go to wallpaper and then scroll into the very bottom, and there you can see shuffle aerials option. So you can choose from any of the templates here, and then MacBook will shuffle with these wallpapers and automatically change it time to time. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.